Hey guys, this is Jessica Lynn from JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today I have got to share this with you. Now, I know it's not a random visit to the Dells or any of my normal things, but I am a huge fan of Stranger Things, and a particular house just went up on the market. Anyone got $1.5 million? It's the house from Stranger Things. It's Vecna's house. I don't know. It's so beautiful, though. It's in Rome, Georgia, so 906 East 2nd Avenue. So if you want to go and take a look at it, just remember, please be respectful if you do head down there. This is somebody's house. It's cool that they used it in a movie, but, there's other houses that have been used the same way, like the Home Alone house or the Father of the Bride house or even Doc Brown's house out in LA. All of those are homes that we see in the movies and the movies that we love. And I guess all I'll say is, just be respectful. I wonder if that's part of why maybe this house went on the market, or if they said, Stranger Things is such a big show, let's go ahead and put it up now. Maybe they were planning on moving. But it is absolutely gorgeous. It is a 140-year-old house. It was like 1880 something that it was built. It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks like the people that lived there went in and actually restored as much of it as they could. Looks like they also did some modern updates. It is cool because in the listing it does mention that it was used in the show. And I think that's, 1.5 million, it's a beautiful house to begin with. It's 6,000 square feet. So you're not only getting this beautiful house, but you're also getting like Vecna up in the attic. The images of all the characters running around, going in the doors. I would even consider changing out and putting that. Now that's kind of creepy, but I would consider changing out that stained glass, in the door. I think that could be fun. One of the things that is specifically detailed in this listing, and it kind of made me chuckle, was the fact that it says that there are absolutely no grandfather clocks on the premises. Like, the people that live there were like, oh, we should include that in the listing, just so people know that it's not real. Although, I don't know. I'll be honest. The work that went into this house, look at that beautiful... that's a beautiful covered porch. A picture sitting out watching a rainstorm. Look at the detail. The pocket doors, the beautiful staircase. It's one of those that Victorian and old historical homes are so beautiful. But are you required, I question, to have to put up all those old pictures? Does the house come with all the old pictures? If you bought the house for $1.5 million, right? Lottery, here it comes, right? So you bought the house. Would you leave it exactly like this? I think people that live in that kind of house have to kind of want that, I would think, right? I don't know. I'll be really honest. I don't know after watching the show. It took a lot for me to watch the show, so I'm sure for some of you it's like totally right up your alley. For me, it took a little to watch it, but I really thought the characters are strong enough, and it took me the first go around to go, okay, I'm ready to watch it again. So I recently just started watching again, which is why I think it's funny that, I started watching again and then this house went up for sale. But look at those floors. If anybody wants to come over and do that to my house floors, that would be pretty amazing, because that is gorgeous. That is a lot of intricate floor, piecing. That is a crazy little bar right there. Kind of fun. That kitchen is gorgeous, though. Look at that. You could have, like, all your friends over. It almost reminds me of the TV show Ghost, too, if you guys watch that. Just beautiful. Look at how many burners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, was it like 10? They have all matching lime green. So beautiful. Oh, look at those little kids up there above the door. Weird. Alright. So I guess the question I want to pose to you guys, can you imagine? Okay, number one, would you spend the night in this house? Knowing that like all those things are just, you know, a TV show, it's not real. Or would your mind get the better of you and scare you thinking that Vecna really is upstairs? Oh, that's a really cool bathroom. Looks like a closet was converted. So do you think that you could spend one night in there? Okay, if you yes or no, right? And then my other question is, do you think that if you had $1.5 million, so you win this mega lottery that's coming out, right? If you had that, could you buy this house and would you live there? Like, could you see yourself actually... Is that a shower? That's fun. Could you actually see yourself living there? And if you're a Stranger Things fan, how would you handle the fans that come and hang out? Would you hang out with them? Would you have like a everybody dress up as your favorite character kind of thing? Super cool. I can't tell you that if I bought it, that I wouldn't put a Vecna mask up in the attic, like at Halloween time, like way up there. I might do that, because that's fun and creepy. I don't know. I think it's a beautiful house. Again, I just had to share with you. It's not one of my normal videos, but it was too cool not to share. So thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We do a lot of adventures. We go to Disney. We do a lot of Disney DIY. And I do a lot of crafting. So I would love to have you join me. Please subscribe. Costs nothing. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, guys.